Hello everyone. In this video, we will show you about tissue culture of Phalaenopsis orchid with study case in Hasanuddin orchid. First of all, let me explain about tissue culture. What is tissue culture? Plant tissue culture is a collection of techniques used to maintain or grow plant cells, tissues, or organs under sterile conditions on a nutrient culture medium of known composition. And then, what is the benefits of tissue culture? Why is it important? Tissue culture is seen as an important technology for the production of disease-free, high-quality planting material and the rapid production of uniform plants. Why we need to do tissue culture on Phalaenopsis orchid? It is because Phalaenopsis orchids are the largest orchid species of all orchids sold in the world market. Its demand is about 80%. That's why, to meet the needs of Phalaenopsis orchids in large quantities and uniform flower quality, we have to do tissue culture.
So, these are general steps in plant tissue culture. The first step is initiation stage. Here, a piece of plant tissue of interest called an explant is cut from the plant, then sterilized to remove any bacteria or fungal spores that are present. In this stage, we also need to sterilize all of the equipment that we will use. Then, transfer the explant to tissue culture medium. The next step is multiplication stage. This procedure will result in the development roots. Once the roots develop in acclimatization stage, the plant section may be placed in the right environment for further growth. Then the plant can be used again for further tissue culture. In this experiment, nursery step and observation are carried in two greenhouses with different height and designs. And for the materials and some equipments that use, there are seed of the Phalaenopsis orchid as explained that produced by the company through crossbreeding. Then potato dextrose agar and modified facin and wen as media culture. Then 80% alcohol for sterilized encas and orchid fruit, and bleach as disinfectant to sterilize the equipment, sphagnum moss used for growing medium, and cast used for grow room, tray compost and pot that used in growing plant stage. The first step is preparation of culture media. There are two culture media made for plant propagations, PDA and modified FIWI media. PDA media is made for seed culture media in the first phase so that the seeds can germinate properly because of the content of potato extract and carbohydrate as food reserve which are not found in orchid seeds. Meanwhile, modified FIWI media is used when planting plantlets for orchid enlargement. The preparation needs to carry out in laboratory. Firstly, we need to mix all the ingredients to make media or modified FIWI media. The composition of the media is adjusted and determined according to planting need. Then boil until it's boiling, then remove and pour into a sterile bottle, then sterilization using an autoclave. Then the media are ready to use. The next step is sterilization of the materials and equipments. The end casts are sterilized using 80% alcohol that spray into the inside part of end cast, then close it for 8 hours until it's ready to use. For the orchid fruit or pod, or a pill-like capsule where the seeds mature along with its casing, are sterilized by dipping it in 80% alcohol. And for the equipment are sterilized using bleach. And at the left side are the picture of encas and orchid fruit. Then, in the initial stage of seeding, the sterile orchid fruit then split using a sterile knife. Then the seed inside the fruit orchid are sprinkled into the bottle containing the PDA culture media. Then the tip of the bottle was burned for 25 until 30 seconds and closed tightly using rubber and plastic caps that had been coded for the fruit, planting date, and company initials. Then store it in the grow room until it grows into protochrome and develop into small plantlets which have formed leaves and roots about 1 until 2 millimeters, and the plantlets were ready to move to new media or modified FIWI media. After the initiation stage, then the plantlet will grow through serial subculture. Subculture is the process by which the tissue or explant is first subdivided and then transferred into fresh culture medium. In subculture 1, the final young plantlet were displaced into regeneration media, its modified free media, to provide a wider growing space and obtain complete plantlets. Then, the plantlets should be treated carefully and moved to a protected environment as quickly as possible. This phase lasts for 3 until 4 months. In subculture 2, the plantlets from the old bottles were subcultured into bottles containing the new media as much as 20 plantlets per bottle. The plantlets are allowed to grow for 3 until 4 months until they are 3 until 5 mm in size. In subculture 3, it emphasizes the development of plant roots. The plantlets are stored for 3 until 4 months, then they are ready for acclimatization. Acclimatization or outflash is an activity of transplanting seedlings from bottles and plant in pots using sphagnum moss media. Activities in this acclimatization include seed preparation and planting seedlings in compost pots, and seeds in bottles that can be planted in a compost pot are seeds that already have at least 2 roots and 2 leaves. Transplanting or repotting is an activity of moving plants into larger pots. Plant repotting aims to facilitate the growth of Phalaenopsis orchids. There are 3 plant repotting activities, including repotting plants from a compost pot into a larger pot. And for the maintenance of plants, especially during the nursery by routine fertilizing, watering for twice a week, and pest control is carried out using synthetic pesticide, and mechanical control is carried by taking and killing the pests manually if them found, so that it can prevent the decline in quality or aesthetic value of this ornamental plant.
Results and discussion. This is the result based on the experiment conducted by Yasmin et al. 2018. First, we have table 2 about the percentage of contamination in the plantlet. There are 2 culture media that used in this experiment. First is potato dextrose agar. PDA is used for seed culture in the first phase. And then VW, Pigeon and Wind, media for orchid enlargement and for planting plantlets. The result is that contamination is higher in VW media, about 22%, than PDA, about 7%. Factor that cause contamination is the process of closing the bottle cap is not strong enough. It causes the air exchange outside and inside the bottle, and the media storage area is too unique. Next, seeding and enlargement of the plantlet and acclimatization of the plantlets. First, based on observation, table 2, the highest percentage of contamination occur in subculture 1 and then subculture 2. This contamination can occur because of the worker, including plantlets that were injured when moving the media. The high level of contamination in the subculture can be minimized by increasing the precision of worker. Second, acclimatization of the plantlet. 100% success rate across all greenhouses. This is because media that use has good humidity. Plantlets can adapt well to non-aseptic environment in compost. They use good seed, healthy and not contaminated with fungi and bacteria. Plus, acclimatization method determines the success of the acclimatization stage. Move planting. These 3 tables below show us data comparing the ability to grow seed in 2 greenhouses, Greenhouse 1 and Greenhouse 2, with 50 samples planted in each phase. To make it easier to understand, for Greenhouse 1, the average number of leaves in Greenhouse 1 is higher than in Greenhouse 2. And then for Greenhouse 2, they have wider leaves in Greenhouse 2 than Greenhouse 1, and the plant height is higher in Greenhouse 2 than Greenhouse 1. The hypothesis is because the location of Greenhouse 2 gets optimum sunlight than the Greenhouse 1. The presence of pests and the potential for disease in plants makes maintenance of plants, especially during the nursery, is important. It's also important to maintain the quality of the plants produced in order to increase productivity. Pest and disease control is carried by several methods. For snails, using mechanical technique, and then ants, soaking the pot in the water, and for mealybugs, using chemical with fungicide and bactericide.
Here is the conclusion of the journal. First, there are two kinds of cultural media at Hasanuddin Orchids, which is PDA media and VW media. Second, contamination at enlarged pondlets occur in subcultures 1 and 2, which is 28 and 20%. Third, the success rate at acclimatization is 100%. 4. Plant maintenance, especially in controlling pests and plant disease, is still low. Plants maintenance is carried out by different farmers. This is the journal reference that we use in making the video. That's all our presentation about tissue culture of Phalaenopsis orchid. Thank you for your attention.